We're going to really appreciate this year the ways in which events and circumstances and serendipity happen in ways that allow us to connect with other people, similar to the way it happens in the Megillah. Vashti didn't have to say, I won't show up. It would have created the possibility for Esther to appear in Ahasuerus's life. The presence of Mordecai at a key moment when the life of the king was at stake didn't have to happen when it did. Esther stepping up at the key moment to save our people didn't have to happen. God is backgrounded in the Megillah as a way of saying events that happen aren't coincidental. They aren't just by chance. You'll have an opportunity to meet somebody, to sit alongside somebody, to walk out with somebody. It might just be a kind of connection that lasts, that deepens, that ends up making a big difference to a lifelong friendship. That happens here all the time. So as we celebrate Purim this year, let us appreciate how coincidence is God's way of remaining anonymous, and how it is that we take the lessons of the Megillah and foreground God in our lives and our relationships and in the people we come to meet. Happy Purim, everybody. Chag Purim Sameach.